Stop for a moment. This message is for you. Not by chance. Not by accident. It is reaching you at the right time for your heart. You may feel tired from life. You may feel pressure that no one sees. You wake up, you try, you struggle, and still life feels heavy. You smile in front of people, but inside you feel something is missing. Listen carefully. You are not alone in this. Your pain is not ignored. Your effort is not wasted. Even when nothing seems to change, your struggle still matters. Every small step you take is being counted in ways you cannot see. Sometimes life does not open doors quickly. You try your best, but results are slow. You pray, but answers feel delayed. In these moments, your heart starts to worry. But slow does not mean no. Delay does not mean rejection. It only means the right time has not come yet. Think about your past. You survived days you thought you could not survive. You handled problems you thought would break you. That strength inside you is real. You are stronger than you think. Do not let stress break your hope. Do not let fear control your thoughts. Keep your heart calm and steady. Life changes step by step, not all at once. What is meant for you will reach you. No one can take it away, and nothing can stop it. But it will come at the right time, not before and not after. Sometimes life removes things you wanted. At that time it hurts. But later you understand it was protection. Something better was saved for you. Something harmful was taken away from your path. You are not lost. You are being guided in ways you do not see yet. Even silence has meaning. Even delay has purpose. If your heart feels empty, it is a sign. It is a reminder that this world cannot fully satisfy your heart. Real peace comes when your heart connects back to your Creator. That is where true comfort begins. Do not think your past mistakes stop your future. They do not. Every new day gives you a fresh chance. You can start again. You can change your direction. You can come back stronger than before. Take a deep breath. Slow down your thoughts. Trust the process of life. Keep trying. Keep praying. Keep moving forward even if steps are small. You are not forgotten. You are not alone. You are not without support. If you are still here, it means you are still in the process of becoming better. Your story is not finished yet. If this message touched your heart, like this video, share it with someone who needs hope today, and subscribe for more reminders that bring peace and strength.